Good morning. This morning we're going to go to Bunnings and get a pressure cleaner. We've got to try clean up the engine bay and clean up some other bits. So we'll probably get a degreaser and pressure clean, get it all cleaned up. Sick of working in a dirty engine bay. Catch it in. We'll give us a quick degrease over everything. Get as much of this gunk and dirt off as we can. Shout out to Bunnings for the $50 job. This thing. Hey, for 50 bucks, this thing is gnarly. All right, let's clean this up. All right, new day. We're gonna try get a couple of little jobs done. Gonna separate the trans from the motor so we can sit that in a bit nicer, get the sump marked properly, and we can get that cut up and modified. So we'll get into that. Alright, so apparently torque converters are filled with trans fluid, and you're about to witness me learning that lesson the hard way. Oh. Oh, man. Yo, what's up? Gonna try get the cabin all stripped out and get everything out of there, all the carpet, anything else we don't need. I'm gonna get this lining off the firewall, all the carpet out, and get all this junk, pretty much just get everything back down to metal so I can get it all simplified and make it easier to work in here. We'll start off by getting anything that's loose out of the car and then start pulling stuff apart. Well, the carpet's out, looking pretty bare in here. I'll pull the rest of the wiring out, and I was just having a look at these. I think I might make some cardboard templates to cover up those holes in the firewall, here and here. I also got to figure out how I'm going to mount the Falcon pedal in here. That's a piece of cardboard. I'll chuck that up here, make a few marks. So I got the cover plate made up. Yeah, so that's just out of cardboard. So it goes this way, and I'm still undecided on how I'm going to fix it. I might just rivet it and put some foam tape in it behind it to seal it. But that's that. And I also made this one. That's to cover that hole there, so that'll will be on the outside. I did think to use these holes and nut and bolt it, but if for any reason I need to take them off, I'll need someone on the other side, and that's a bit annoying. I see, I might be able to use riv nuts in those, so it's removable. I don't know why I want to remove them. Actually, rivet sounds better. We'll go with that for now. But I'll get these to work and make something out of them, and then that'll be the firewall blocked off. I had a look at the pedal positioning. Got the pedal out of the Falcon here. I need to mount it here somewhere. So that's probably it for today. Just a little tinker today. Get those plates made up. I've been trying to get an engine stand so I can get the motor off the ground and get the sump off so I can go get it modified. But apparently we've got a bit of a statewide shortage. Repco, Autobarn, super cheap, nobody has any. So I've got one of those on order. Who knows when that'll be in, but as soon as it does, I'll get the engine up off the ground and get the sump off so I can get that cut up. Slow progress. It is some progress. I just don't have a whole lot to do to it at the moment and it's cold, but we'll leave it there. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.